So today's cocktail features a couple of flavor buddies that you, I believe, will find surprising. My name is Leandro Di Manriva. This is The Educated Barfly. I haven't been following too closely lately. Does he just read out a random unfunny comment at the beginning of the video? Let's get into making the cocktail. So today's cocktail is a really simple affair, but that's what you guys like on YouTube, right? You like easy cocktails made with ingredients you can find in your pantry, and that's exactly what we're doing today. It was created by a bartender named Nathan Howard, Los Angeles based, really good friend of mine. We'll get into a little bit more about Nathan later. Let's get into making the drink. First things first, take a lemon. We're gonna juice this bad boy. So one excited lemon. And we're gonna take our tin, our nice new weighty tins from Barfly. These things are awesome. So this is a tin called the Superfly tin. It has the weight on the inside, so it's kind of seamless on the outside, which is really nice. And it's just got such nice weight to it. It is my favorite. I used it for a tutorial that I did for somebody pretty recently, and it was really great. So really excited about the tin, guys. So first things we're gonna do is 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of cinnamon simple. We're gonna take some basil leaves, about 4 or 5, put it in a tin, give it a little tap down, just a little muddle, like so. Not even a muddle, more like a press. And then we're gonna grab gin. We're using Beefeater today, 2 ounces. Use any gin that you like, except for something savory, which I say a bunch, but it's true. Like London dry gin will be really great. If you wanna use Hendrick's, you can use Hendrick's. Use what you want. We are going to just add in a little ice to our tin. Add our cocktail. Give it a nice shake. And then give it a strain. Then we're just gonna, much like the east side, take a little basil, give it a nice tap. And we're just gonna lay it on top of the cocktail like that. Man, it kind of sunk a little bit, oh well. Let's give it a... Oh, nice, light, refreshing. What's fantastic about this drink though is that it's also very fall forward. You get those cinnamon flavors, and a lot of people don't realize this, but cinnamon and basil go hand in hand. So it's just like a very nice, light, refreshing fall cocktail. The bartender that created this, Nathan Howard, was a bartender at Cole's French Dip. I worked with him for very many years. I'm a little bit frustrated by Nathan because he is a very naturally talented bartender, yet he cares not one whit for bartending. He is an actor, and he's actually been doing that pretty successfully. He also runs our weekly Warhammer game, so he's a pretty good, not pretty good, that's selling him short. He is a very good game master or dungeon master if he's playing Dungeons & Dragons, and he has started doing this professionally. So if you guys are into playing tabletop role-playing games, you can find him at startplaying.games, which is a place that hosts professional DMs to run games for you. So you just type in Nathan Howard and he's the first search result that pops up, or you can DM him on Instagram at Nathan Howard is here. Shoot him over a message, drink a spice trade, and enjoy your game and cocktail. All right, guys, that's all I got for you on this cocktail. Go make it, enjoy it. You probably have everything at home to make this drink, so you guys will be happy, and we'll see you guys another time. First and foremost, before we wrap this up, I gotta say thank you to our YouTube and Patreon members for helping to make this channel what it is. Also check out our website, theeducatedbarfly.com, for recipes, our virtual bottle program. We do articles. We haven't posted anything in a little while, but we will. We'll get back to posting pretty soon. And yeah, I don't know. See you guys another time.